Good morning. It is coffee time. I need a big mug today because I broke that one and I can't find another one like it. I gotta use this one. It's 42 degrees outside right now, you guys. I just went and took some trash out. It's freezing! Oh. But it feels like fall, so I'm not gonna complain. It's what I've been wanting. So got little man up, he's watching cartoons. We both woke up at 6:30 this morning. I was able to go back to sleep for a little bit because Tom, he ended up getting up with Parker and turning some cartoons on for him. So mommy got like, I don't know, maybe 20, 30 minutes extra of sleep. And now we are up. Kate's still sleeping, which is normal for her on Saturdays anyway. But yeah, happy Saturday. Hey guys, we are at the Tyler State Park this morning. We're gonna do a little hiking for our workout. We're with our friends there in front of us. How about you're gonna get some exercise in? It is seriously, oh, it's gone up again.
It's almost 60 degrees.
It's 59 degrees now. When we first got here, it was 56 degrees. Now it is 59 degrees, and I'm gonna freeze. Luckily, Parker's sleeping, so he'll keep me nice and warm. So.
Yep.
Oh, Mary, you're right here. There you go.
Thank you.
Just right up here. And y'all know where everything's at?
Yes, ma'am. We're following them. So.
Okay, I thought
All right,
so.
thank you.
Thanks.
Okay.
Anyway, we've never been out here before, so we are excited to go explore. The trees are just, they're changing and look so pretty. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Well, we have to probably go back inside
we gotta
to
find like a parking spot.
Yeah.
And find where all the trails are.
So, this is, I mean, it's what, like 40 minutes? It'd take us like 40 minutes to get here?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, so I mean, it's a little bit out of the way, but Brian, our friend, he's been wanting to do this before it gets too cold. So he texted us today and was like, hey, you guys wanna go? Oh my gosh, look at these. Oh, look at how beautiful red they are. Oh my gosh. It's so cool back here. They're pretty trees, bushes, whatever they are.
Well, those ones are yellow.
You guys, I am absolutely loving this. I did not grow up where the trees change colors unless you went up to the mountains. So to actually live in a town that this just happens is so cool. Of course, this guy, he doesn't think it's anything great.
Oh, you should camp.
I only grew up with it for 20
You
years.
should camp here.
Well, I didn't. Oh yeah, we should camp sometime, huh, Bug? That would be fun. Oh, is that water? Ooh, there's a lake over there. Is that Lake Tyler?
No, it's
No?
a lake in Tyler State Park.
Okay.
I don't know the name of the lake, though. What's that? My first week. That's a strange looking tree. It goes straight up, but it's not. Huh.
What do you want? Oh, you see up here? Look at the tree.
Hey, Dylan, get the peppers out of the bag.
Look at all of those baby pine trees. So all this greenery right here, those are pine trees. So cool.
Oh my
trying to figure out what to eat for dinner. So I was like, cool, give me everything. I've always driven.
What you doing, brother? Yeah, look.
You're gonna have to go to fresh. Yeah, fresh is always a safe bet too, though.
Yeah? Whoa, big boy. Good job, brother. We're walking. We're walking through campgrounds, trying to find our way back. We have great leaders here.
We're going to the lake.
We are going to the lake right now because apparently that should get us back. They have no idea
What have you found, baby?
I see acorns and that's deer food.
This is a cool campground though. I want to stay here. We should camp here, babe.
Come on, Mama. Come on.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Rena, come on now.
Look at this beautiful lake.
Whoa!
So
Sounds like,
pretty.
like a dead animal or something.
We're parked over there.
We're just going to just swim. Let's just.
Or we can go long.
It's not very long.
Yeah.
This
Hey,
is
Kira,
the
where
lake,
you at?
so.
Zoe, get away from the edge. Come on.
What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? You playing in the leaves? Huh? Oh my goodness. Parker. And now we're at the park. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna climb? Huh? You need help? Okay. Go. Say hi.
What's your name?
Say, I'm Parker.
You're
You say hi? Say hi, Colton. He's still not sure about strangers.
Probably like, should I trust him or not? No, wait, never mind. I just got this good finger.
Okay, you better not have an accident.
But
You're doing great. Keep going.
There you go, bud.
Good
There
job.
you go. Good job.
I want to slide.
Go, bud, go. You got it. Keep going. Keep going, Kate. Good job. Whoa. Oh, again.
Hey!
busted.
Yeah, hey!
Climb up the rock wall, Kate.
We have this at school. We have this. Yeah, but it's way bigger.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's much harder. It's like little pieces.
Yeah. What you doing, buddy? Oh, sorry.
I'm showing you.
Good job.
This is just what I needed. Some play fun time.
Oh, sorry.
Go through the tunnel, buddy. He's going back.
Hey, Dad.
What?
Look. Oh, goodness.
What the heck are you doing?
Hey, I showed you.
Now let go with your hands.
Oh, I can do that. Oh, look.
Alright, go ahead. You do it.
There was something actually really